How to connect with MT5 on Medatiq Markets. Let's get started. Once you have created your trading account and completed your deposit, you will see a trade button on your screen. Click on it to open the trading section. Here, you will find download options for MetaTrader 5 on different platforms, including Android, iOS, and Windows. Simply click on the download option for your device. For this example, I'm using iOS. As soon as you click on it, you will be redirected to TestFlight. From there, download the application on your phone. Once the download is complete, open the app. You will see a welcome screen. Click Continue to proceed. Next, you will see the MetaTrader 5 installation page. Click on Install. After the installation is complete, click Open. When the app opens, follow the on-screen instructions and click Next until you reach the Start Testing button. Click on Start Testing to open MetaTrader 5. Once MetaTrader 5 is open, click on Add Trading Account. A new screen will appear with a search bar. In the search field, type Medatiq Markets. When Medatiq Markets appears in the search results, click on it. Next, the login screen will open. Here, enter your MT5 login ID and password that were provided when you created your trading account. After entering your details, click on the Login button. You will now be successfully connected to your MT5 trading account and can start trading directly from the platform. And that's it, how to connect with MT5 on Medatiq Markets. Thanks for watching.